In this video, I'm going to show you how to send dice on Monopoly Go. So once you open your Monopoly app, so in this case, we cannot send our dice to someone else as it is not available on this game. But what we can do is that you can purchase the dice for someone else by making payments from your bank account or from your payment wallet. So it's like you're sending dice to them as a gift. So I'm going to show you where you can purchase the dice. Just click the three horizontal lines over here. And then select shop. So in here you will see the amount according to the quantity of the dice you want to purchase. So just select this one. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.